Welcome to Nodedataa Technology Services. We are experienced and innovative engineer. We are an engineering services and digital technology solutions company. Our engineering expertise touches you in semiconductors, robots, metros, high-speed trains, and airplanes. Our services include content development, design, graphics, illustrations, animation, and application development. We have more than 20,000 hour services provided on technical writings and illustrations for various manuals.
We transforming ideas into precision with innovative CAD/CAM design solutions.
We have delivered more than 8,000 hours of learning contents in form of online, CBT, and mobile learning including game application. We also support LMS implementation and customization. Nodedataa turn out the tradition way to new technology adopting an IETM Interactive Electronic Technical Publication or IETP Interactive Electronic Technical Product with integrated AI. Most of the industries like oil and gas, automotive, aerospace, rail, medical, utilities, and much more still have constraint using traditional manuals with text and illustration. IETM Level 4 an electronic library that is easily portable and can be viewed multiple devices like laptops, tabs, and mobile phones. You can visualizing the operations in interactive 3D or 2D animations. The next level of technical publication, e-learning, with augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and mixed reality, MR, can simulate the 3D operations for maintenance and troubleshooting procedures. We provide translation services too. Nodedataa specialized in engineering services, technical publication, AR, VR, MR, and PLM. If you want a workplace that enables you to create the future, come, join us.